Hello and welcome. I'm trying I watched a video by Gemma Art. She's a lovely artist on YouTube. I think she's Korean. And she tried, which turned out beautiful, one of these like pipettes with dishwashing liquid dropped on to create these lovely effects in the paint. So I don't know if she used water in, but I could put a little bit of water in there. This is what we get in Australia, so this is just me everyday dishwashing liquid. So I am going to try what I've got. I think in the US they call it Dawn dishwashing liquid. I don't know if it's an equivalent or what, but I'm going to see if I get the same lovely effect as what Gemma Art got. So grab myself one of these lovely pipettes. There you go. And I'm going to lay my colours down like Gemma did. So I will go with the lovely colours that I've got pre-mixed here. So this is just the purple. Oh, this looks purple metallic actually, because it's all lovely metallic-y colour.
It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Actually, I'm not sure if I should just swipe down with my black. Let's see, maybe it'd show up better. I think I'll swipe down with my black. So there you go. Swipey tool, swipey tool. So I'm just using soft plastic. I think Gemma used what did she use? Oh my goodness. I think it was like cling wrap, you know, like food wrap paper to swipe with, but you know. Okay, that's that. It's already getting some little cells come up, but just go finger pop around the edges. Then, my gloves are too big for me and they're coming off my hand. So there's my dishwashing liquid. I'm going to suck some up into my pipette. Now Gemma just, did this, but I don't think it's going to have the same reaction. It's not doing nothing. Oh my goodness. I don't think my dishwasher... Oh, it is. There you go. So she just squeezed. I'd have to bring you closer down to see. I think Gemma's got a much better camera setup that you can see the effects in her camera straight away. But this is not coming up nowhere near like what Gemma's did. But, you know, have to try things, I guess. We'll continue on. And, oh, maybe it's the colours underneath. Maybe it needs the light colour underneath. Because these are showing like weird and wonderful. I think Gemma called it her fireworks, but I don't know about fireworks. These looks like aliens. Well, I think mine is a fail. Oh, geez Louise. Let's see. think there's some pretty little things happening there. So, no, it is not reacted like Gemma's. Gemma's. What did I do wrong? Maybe it's just our dishwashing liquid here doesn't react the same. Ah, that's disappointing. Don't think I'll even put this video up. That's disappointing. Okay, it smells really good. Let's see what swiping with some white Floetrol, like Amsterdam and Floetrol. See if it makes any better reaction in the paint. Oh, I'll call this an epic fail. Epic fail. Let's cut out all of this here. Oh geez Louise. I'm going to just keep working with it. It's only paint, so don't stress out about the paint. It's only paint. It's on a small canvas, so gotta be in it to win it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go another angle with that. I'm going to try in a little cup some just going to put some silicone oil, a little bit of silicone in. And I'm going to get a skewer. I'm going to dip my skewer here. Just letting silicone drop in it. Oh, oh. Let's see if I have a better effect with the silicone, I think, than the dishwashing liquid. I've got a little plan for it. I've got a little plan. Oh, crazy lady. Okay, I'm just going to drag these silicone bits now down. Oh, Maria Brooks was the lovely lady that uses sort of silicone in to create some awesome effects. A mixture, I think, of different silicone she uses. I think she's got 1 or 2 videos on YouTube, but not many. She is an English artist, and I think she does her work on some kind of composite board or something. And to see these effects up there, they're definitely weird and wonderful. Trouble with silicone, if you go into resin, it's just an awful substance to get off before you resin. Or I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this. Look at those. Oh, I don't know if it's my light is blinking or what. Look at those effects. It looks like aliens' eyes. Whatever aliens' eyes look like. it's certainly a cool effect. It's something different, I guess. And then up here you've got really sort of some big blobby cells. Well, we'll just see how this one dries, but I didn't have much luck with doing the same with the dishwasher liquid as the lovely Gemma did. She had, go check her, I will link Gemma's video, much better results than mine. But this has got some weird and wonderful in it. I think I saved it. I'm going to let it dry. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, please take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend. And if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline, as we all need a bit of help at times. Bye for now.
Easy rider on the highway. Station wagon going slow. Windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade are leisurely